Let me introduce Pineify's MQL5 AI coding agent. First, let's go to the Pineify website, and on the page, we can find the MQL5 AI coding agent. Let's click on it. You can see this coding agent, the one for MQL5 right here. First, click Login in the top right. After logging in, click Coding Agent on the left, and you'll see a chat interface. At the top, you can switch languages. Make sure to select MQL5. Pineify supports scripting languages for many financial platforms. Then, on the left, pick the model. Here's an advanced model, a fine-tuned model by Pineify that outperforms all other models in generating MQL5 code. Next, let's have the AI generate the code. So let's ask the AI to write a simple Expert Advisor code. We can just click these preset prompts to send it. Now we can see the AI has started generating the code. You can see a row of tools at the bottom. Pineify AI's generation process actually feeds the official documentation to the model, so the output quality is very high. We also built an auto-fix feature. After each AI generation or edit, our AI checks the syntax, and if it finds errors, it fixes them automatically until the script is error-free. On the right, there's a memory feature, where you can set your own coding preferences or habits. We have two types of memory, global and chat-specific, and you can control each separately. We saw that on the first try, the AI gave a wrong answer, but our AI fixed it based on the detected syntax errors. Then the second try succeeded, and the AI also gave a brief summary of your code. Then let's look at the code. Click Open Editor at the top to open and view the code. You can continue chatting on the left. The right side is a code editor where you can see the whole code with copy and download buttons in the top right. So this is where we generate the MQL5 script content via Pineify. If you're interested, you can visit our official website at pineify.app to learn more.